Peeps, do you know that plants reproduce through seed dispersal? Since they can move to put their seeds far away from the parent plants. The four common methods are through wind, air, animals, and explosion. However, lately, we've been agitated by the news of forest burning, illegal hunting, and overconsumption that contributes to animal extinction. Take a seat and imagine the world in the next few years. What if we lack animals to disperse seeds?
Well, this is why we need to be aware of the importance of balancing flora and fauna. This is because flora and fauna are a part of the ecosystem and they are interdependent for their survival. Moreover, the ecosystem becomes imbalanced if there are any unpropitious effects on flora and fauna. We need more efforts to spread awareness to society about how these immoral activities can affect the ecosystem and affect us in the end.
We can spread awareness through social media such as Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Every effort that we make, even the tiniest one, can change the world. Forthwith, let's go back to dig the earth to plant more trees to save the planet.
What is fertilization? Fertilization is the process of fusing male and female gametes together to produce an embryo. Still confused? Alright, first, let me help you to further understand these important terms. Gametes are an organism's reproductive cell, also known as sex cells. These cells can be found in organisms that carry out sexual reproduction, that includes plants. The gametes are different in female and male. The two most common gametes are sperm and ova. Sexual reproduction is where both the gametes from female and male unite to produce a zygote. What is a zygote? A zygote is a single cell structure that results from the union of the two gametes. This cell will then develop into an embryo, which is a structure that will then develop into an organism. So, how does fertilization occur? After pollination, the male gamete from the stigma will go to the lower part of the pistil, which is the ovary, where the female gamete awaits it. The male gamete will go through the hollow pollen tube to reach there. After safely taken to the ovary, the male gamete will fuse with the female gamete, producing a zygote. Zygote formation in plants marks the completion of fertilization.
In Surah An-Nisa verse 1, Allah stated, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhan nasu attaqu rabbakum alladhi khalaqakum min nafsin wahidah wa khalaqa minha zawjaha wa batha minhuma rijalan kathiran wa nisaa wattaqullaha alladhi tasaaluna bihi wal arham innallaha kana alaykum raqiba, which means, O humanity, be mindful of your Lord who created you from a single soul, and from it he created its mate, and through both he spread countless men and women. And be mindful of Allah, in whose name you appeal to one another and honor family ties. Surely Allah is ever watchful over you. In this verse, Allah clearly stated that every creation is created with a pair. Plant is also created with a pair. The fertilization process requires reproduction organs from both male and female plant. So, if plant is not created with a pair, there will be no such thing as fertilization.